Hi there, Gaylin here, Unity Stamp Company design team member. I'm here showing how to make a pretty handmade card overlay in flowers in Vellum. And it's very simple and easy to do. I start with Unity stamps called Array of Fall and also Change Can Be Beautiful. These are red rubber stamps manufactured by Unity, and they are just really pretty. I really like the sentiment kits too because I get to mix and match the sentiments with other kits. I use a sheet of A2 size vellum and a card base in a mint color. I'm using Versamark watermark ink, assorted adhesive gems, stamp in Ranger archival ink and jet black. I'm using an EK Success powder tool for the heat embossing. Now I'm going to take the sentiment and use the original Misty to stamp directly onto the card base at the bottom. I stamp it twice using the stamp positioner Misty. And so that's all finished. Now I'm going to add powder to a piece of vellum, and I'm going to offset this really big floral border background. I'm just offsetting it a little off to the top, and I'm going to make room for that sentiment at the bottom. So I just add the watermark ink, and then I heat emboss it with white embossing powder and a heat tool. And then once that's cooled and dried, I just kind of make sure where I want it placed before I start cutting. But I'm going to fussy cut the flowers just at the edge of the flowers. This is going to be sort of a handmade card overlay with stamping. And so carefully trim around the petals. And then for adhesive, I like to add flat double-sided adhesive just in spots where the flowers are. But before I do that, I want to add a little splatter. I use Sakura Koi watercolors, and I just mix water with some of the black color and a narrow brush to add some black splatters on the mint paper. And then I heat set that, make sure it's dry all the way. And then I add that flat double-sided tape only in the areas on the flowers that are darker in the heat embossing. You can't really tell that way. You can't really see the tape through very much anyway. So I just put it in the upper right corner. That's just where I decided to place it. I added a few of the adhesive pearls in black just to finish. It's very easy to do. It's quick. You can mass produce this easily. I hope you like this, and take a moment to like and follow my channels. Thanks for watching.